So AJ, what are you doing?
I'm writing a letter to Papa.
About what?
About Christmas.
Yeah. So what do you think about this typewriter? Think the typewriter's better than a computer?
It's interesting.
Why?
Well, because it doesn't have a screen and it has a cool font.
Yeah. You can't change the font though.
No.
Yeah. Is it hard? So it's harder than a computer?
Yeah.
Would you rather have a typewriter or a computer?
Typewriter.
Why?
Actually, a computer. Because if I had a... Since we have a computer, I can go on the internet.
Can't go on the internet with a typewriter.
Right.
All right, let's see you type something. How fast are you? Tell them about your presents.
I did.
Oh, okay. Ask him about dinner.
Oh, yeah.
You're a pretty good typer. Now, what if you make a mistake on this? You just hit... How do you fix a mistake on this?
Correct.
Ah. All right, let's see what you're typing. Wow, you've typed a lot. I will enjoy playing with all of them. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.